Hello, let's look at one more variety of question type that is possible in cubes. Basically, it's given that some of the faces of a cube are painted with different colors. Which particular face is painted with which color? This is not given. This we have to assume considering different possibilities. And then a few questions of maximum and minimum number of cubes are asked. Let's start. Three different faces of a cube are painted in three different colors: pink, yellow and orange. Which three faces are colored is not mentioned. After that, the cube is cut into 343 smaller cubes. That means 7 into 7 into 7 cuts are made. I hope you can easily visualize the cutting of this cube. That's all the information which is provided to us. Before looking at the questions, let's understand the possible combination when three faces of the cube are painted. The first can be when all the three faces which meet at a vertex are painted, somewhat like this. This pink can also be on the bottom face. The positions of these colors is not fixed. What is fixed is that the three colored faces meet at a common vertex. The remaining three faces are left unpainted. So this is how the back side will look. The other combination can be when the three painted faces don't meet at the vertex. That means all the three faces which are continuous are painted. Yellow and orange are painted like this, and pink can be either behind yellow or behind orange. It will be one and the same thing. This is how its backside will be. These are the only combinations possible when three faces of a cube are painted. Now, let's look at the questions one by one. What are the least and the largest number of cubes that have exactly one face painted? Let's look at the first combination where the faces which are painted are meeting at one of the vertices. Here in this front face, these will be the cubes which will have one face painted. The cubes at these edges will also have one face painted, as their adjacent faces are not colored. So we'll have 6 into 6, that is 36 cubes with one face painted on a single face. And we have 3 such faces. A total of 36 into 3, that is 108 cubes will be there which will have one face painted. These cubes have 2 or 3 faces painted, as you can see. These are ignored in the calculation. Let's look at the other combination. Yellow and orange faces are adjacent and pink is behind yellow. Total number of cubes with one face painted with yellow will be these. This column we will not count, as all the cubes here have two face painted. So one face painted cubes in this face are 6 cubes in one row and 7 such rows. 6 into 7, that is 42 cubes. Now for orange face, we will miss out on these two columns. These cubes are two face painted ones. So in this case, we will have 5 cubes in a single row and a total of 5 into 7, that is 35 cubes with one face painted. For pink, it will be same as that of yellow. 6 into 7, 42 cubes with one face painted. So a total of 42 plus 42 plus 35, that is 119 cubes with one face painted. Now it is apparent that least will be for the first combination and largest will be for the second one. The reason being, here in the first case, we have maximized 2 or 3 face painted cubes by painting 3 adjacent faces. So many cubes at the edges were ignored because they had more than one face painted. Whereas in the second case, very less cubes were ignored. Only 2 edges are there. In the first case, there were 3. Let's look at the next question. What is the maximum and the minimum number of small cubes that have one face painted yellow and one face orange and no other face painted? For maximum number of such cubes, we have to look at the second combination, where the required cubes will be these at this edge. A total of 7 such cubes are possible. But if I take the combination in which painted faces meet at the vertex, then this cube at the vertex will not be counted, as it is now painted with pink as well. So, minimum number of small cubes that have one face painted yellow and one face orange and no other face painted will be these. That is a total of 6 cubes. So the answer for this question will be option C, 7 and 6. It will not be option A, as maximum is asked first and then minimum. Be aware of these traps. Last question for this set. What are the maximum and the least number of cubes that have no face painted at all? We have these two combinations. For the first combination, smaller cubes with no face painted will be the cubes which are hidden behind or the cubes which are inside. In this case, if we talk area wise, then 3 faces are painted, similar to the second case. But talking cube wise, these cubes which have yellow are the same cubes which have pink as well. Many cubes are common in both 2 or more painted faces. So, less number of cubes are painted here. Hence, no face painted cubes will be more here. Whereas in the second case, painted portion has very less cubes which are common to 2 or more painted faces. The paint is spread out to cover as many cubes as possible. Of course, the painted faces are 3 only, but painted cubes are more. Only 2 edges have cubes common to 2 painted faces. In the first case, there were 3. So, no face painted cubes will be less in this case. Now, to do the calculation for both the cases, we will simply subtract the cubes which have paint, that is, cubes with at least one face painted. We'll subtract this from the total cubes. In the first combination, exactly one face painted are 108, which we have already calculated in the first question. Then 18 two-face painted cubes on these 3 edges. And finally, one cube at this vertex, which have all the 3 faces painted. Total is 127 cubes. Now this is a 7 by 7 by 7 cube. So total 343 small cubes are available. Cubes with no face painted will be 343 minus 127, which is 216. In second case, cubes with exactly one face painted will be 119. Then these 2 edges, they will have cubes with exactly 2 faces painted. 7 plus 7, that is 14 cubes. Now there is not even a single cube which have all the 3 faces painted. So in all, we get 119 plus 14, that is 133 such cubes which have at least one face painted. Cubes with no face painted will be 343 minus 133, that is 210 cubes. Obviously, 216 is the maximum number of cubes with no face painted and 210 will be the least. I hope all the concepts of cubes including cutting, painting and counting are clear to you by now. Don't be afraid if some other variation comes in the exam. Visualize what's given in the question and count accordingly. Thank you.